information as well as for the internals, NAND and NOR implementation or realization. So in the NAND realization, so there are some steps what we are going to follow. So let me take an example and explain you how we are going to do. Let us take a simple example, AB plus A bar B bar. This is one example. So the first step in NAND realization is A, B, A, B. We need to write the logic circuit, basic logic circuit we need to write. Here you should use the basic gates only. You should not use the XOR, XNOR and all. They are the exclusive the OR gates, and NAND and NOR also should not use, because that is the where that is the gates which we want to finally use. So initially we need to use the normal gates, basic gates, and we need to write the logic circuit for this. A and B. So we have AND gate, and for A bar, B bar, we are going to pass it through the NOT gate to make it complement of the input, and after that we are having AND gate. So then we are having OR gate. So this is the first step. So after this step, the next step what we should do is start inserting NOT gate. So we need to insert the NOT gate. Where we should insert the NOT gate? See, for NAND realization, just for your remembrance, N, the NAND, not. In NAND realization, N comes after, in the beginning, no? So you should put, wherever you are having AND gate, you should put in front of it. The N is in front of AND. N is in front of AND. So put in front of AND. Just for remembrance, I'm telling you, because otherwise you'll be getting confused. N is in front of AND. That's why put the NOT gate in front of AND gate. Wherever you are having AND gate, put NOT gate in front of it. In NAND realization, for OR, you should put at the input side. You should put at the input side. For AND realization, you should put in the output side. For OR, we should put at the input side. In the same way, next we are having NOR realization. See, NOR realization, they'll ask, realize the circuit equation AB plus A bar B bar using NOR gates or using NOR realization. So during that time, N is in front of OR. You should remember like this, N is in front of OR. So wherever you are having OR gate, put the NOT gate in front of it. That means at the output side. In NOR realization, for the AND gate, put the NOT gates at the input side. Put the NOT gate at the input side. Here, this is reverse. You should put at the input side. For NAND realization, you should put the NOT gate at the input side. For NOR realization, you should put NOT gate at the output side of the OR and input side of the AND. Okay, so this is the second step we are having. So as of now, we are discussing for NAND. So let us stick on to that and we'll first get clarified with this. So now I have added NOT gate since we are discussing about NAND realization. At the output of AND, you should put NOT. At the output of AND, put the NOT. At the input of OR, you should put not. At the input of OR, you should put not. Then step 3, if you are having in a single line, if you are having two NOT gates, then you should cancel out each other, because you know that A double bar is equal to A, right? In the same way, you are having two NOT gates. Cancel out them. Can we cancel out this NOT gate? See, this is in a single line. We cancelling out. So what about this NOT gate? Can we cancel this NOT gate? Here, starting from this point to this point, we had two NOT gates. Complement of a complement is what? Uncomplement form. So here, since we are having a single NOT gate, you cannot cancel it. After this, rewrite the remaining circuit. A, B. So AND gate, NOT gate. So whatever is remaining, that you should write once again. Okay. So this is the third step. Last step is fourth step. In fourth step, you should replace all the gates using NAND. Replace all the gates using NAND. Actually, you should write the circuit 4 times. Step by step, you should write, but I'm writing it here only. This is AND, no? Make it NAND. This is not. See, as I had told you already, for NOT, you're having a single input. Can we have a single input for NAND gate?
No, sir.
No, right? That's why what we should do is, anyhow, we have to replace this NOT gate by NAND gate, no? That's why we take a single input and we give the same input to both the inputs of the NAND gate. We take the same A only, will take A. Same thing will be given. What happens to A into A?
A.
A only, right? See, I'll explain here. So you are giving A and you are getting A bar. This cannot be possible. So that's why I'm giving it to NAND gate. So what is the output of A into A? You're having A into A whole bar, right? As you know, A into A is A bar. Is it the same what we are getting here and here? Whatever the NOT gate was doing, NAND gate is also doing the same thing. Since we cannot use a single input for the NAND gate, we are adding it to the two inputs. The same common input is given to the two inputs. So A into A whole bar is equal to A bar. Okay. So this is what we are going to do. Now, wherever we are having NOT gate, here we are having NOT gate. So use a two input AND gate, no, sorry, NAND gate, which we are going to connect like this. So it should be connected like this. That means you are giving a single input which is being commonly given to the two inputs of the NAND gate. Here also NAND gate, we are going to give NAND gate, and OR gate we are having. So make that OR into NAND. Okay. So this is, see, finally we have written a circuit where all the gates are replaced by NAND gates. Now let us check. This is for just our understanding. Let us check whether the circuit we are getting now, is it going to work similar to our basic logic circuit or not. Okay. A, B is given. What is the output of this point? Output at this point? A we are having, B we are having. What you will get at this point? A, B. What is the output for NAND? I'm asking just for this.
A bar B into B bar.
A bar into B bar,
AB whole bar.
AB whole bar, right? AB whole bar will be the input. Now, to this, what is the output of this in this NAND gate?
A bar.
A bar. The other one, B bar. Now tell me what you will get at this point. A bar, B bar, whole bar. Right? This is what we get here. A bar, B bar, whole bar. Again, it is going to give the complement. No, that's why. Now at this point, we are getting A bar into B bar into whole bar. Again, one more bar. Okay. Any doubt here? You are getting here this one. Again, this is going to act as one of the input. This is going to act as one of the input. Since you know that NAND operation is multiplication, it is going to multiply and it is going to take the complement. Okay. Now, what will be the next step? How you are going to simplify this? Just to make sure that whatever the circuit we have written is correct, we are doing this. We'll get clarity about this.
Sir, A bar plus B bar into A double bar plus B double bar, the whole bar.
A bar plus B bar. So you are applying this one or this one first?
This one, sir, yeah.
The main one?
Yeah, the main one, yeah.
Okay. So A bar, B bar, whole bar, again one more bar, plus A bar into B bar. So I think I wrote B whole bar, double bar, no? I think I missed up this one. How is it correct? AB whole bar, that is going to pass through this. This is going to pass through this. Write it once again neatly. A B whole bar, this is 1, into A bar B bar, 1 bar we will get here. Again, on passing through this, we will get a complete bar. Now, AB whole bar, again one more bar, plus A bar into B bar, and one more bar. Now, what will happen to these two? Can I cancel them? This will get cancelled up. This will get cancelled up. What is remaining? AB plus A bar into B bar. So is it the same equation what we have written?
Yes, sir.
If anyone have not understood, you can ask me. Don't be silent. If you have any doubt at any point, you can ask me.
Sir, this is exclusive NOR gate equation, right?
Exclusive NOR gate equation only we have written.
We are replacing NAND and NOR in exclusive NOR gate, sir.
No. We are replacing. This is the basic circuit. Okay. This is the
Yes, sir.
basic circuit which we have written. This basic circuit is entire components are replaced by NAND gate.
Okay, sir. Okay.
A single gate can act as any other type of gate. No need of using one NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate. You need different types of gate. So if you have NAND gate with you, you can do any type of circuits. That is the overall conclusion. Okay. Now we'll try with
Sir, can you
one.
draw just the circuits once more, sir?
Yeah. I'll do it again.
The first
Yeah.
one, second one, and third step.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll start for NOR. Okay. A bar B plus AB bar I'll take. So first step, I'm going to write the circuit with using a basic gates. A, this is A bar. So that's why A bar. This is B. After that, we are having multiplication operation. So we use AND gate. Next, A into B bar. A, B bar is there. So we use one NOT gate so that it gives you B bar. Okay, after that, we are having OR gate. Okay. Is this clear? First step is clear for all?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now we'll write the second step. A, B. So this is the second step. So what is the second step? Insert the NOT gate. See, we are doing NOR realization. In NOR realization, what I have told, where you should insert the NOT gate for the gates?
At input.
At the input of
Or
at the input of OR. Just now I told no. Where you should insert the NOT gates.
Sir, in the input of and output of or.
Is for NOR realization, at the output of OR, put a NOT gate. At the input of AND, put a NOT gate. How many number of inputs you have? That many number of NOT gate you should insert. 2 inputs, 2 NOT gates. Okay. Next, third step. What we need to do in the third step? We need to see that in a single line, see, starting from this point to this point, single line, if there are 2 NOT gates, cancel them. 2 NOT gates, cancel them. Okay. This is our third step. Is it clear till here? Any doubt? Anybody is having any doubt? You ask me.
no,
I'll
sir.
try to clear it. Okay. Now, after that, next step. So once you have cancelled out the NOT gates, so for the remaining gates, you should write NOR gate. A, B. So I had told you NOT gate is a single input. This one we will write for NOR you'll write like this. Okay, because NOR cannot have a single input line. But since NOT has a single input, the same input is fed as input to the two input lines of the NOR gate. What is A plus A? Because output is A plus A whole bar. What is A plus A?
A.
A. So finally it will be A bar. Here what was the output for NOT gate?
A bar.
A bar. Is it the same what we are getting and what we are getting for the NOR gate?
Same, same.
So a single NOR gate can act as NOT gate also. That is the conclusion. So NOT gate we are going to replace by NOR gate by writing like this. So write the NOR gate. And this we are having a AND gate. Replace that with a NOR gate. And again OR gate is there. Replace that OR gate with a NOR gate. Again you are having a NOT gate here. So that also I'm just writing it here. We need to write with a NOT. Okay, this is our output. For this one. For this one. Okay, for this we are having this one. For this we are having this. For this we are having this. And for this, as you know, this one. For this one, this one. Okay, now just for our interest, let us try to cross verify. It is not necessary, but sometimes they can ask you cross verify it or show that. Okay, so during that time you have to prove. Now let us try to prove. Okay, at this point we are having A, and here what you'll get at this point? What is the input at this point? Here we are having B, 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 B plus B whole bar gives what?
B bar.
B bar. Then what is the output here? A plus B bar whole bar. Right? Coming to this, A we are having. Here it will give you A bar. This one is B. The output of this gives you A bar plus B whole bar. Then what is the output after passing through this? Let me write A plus B bar whole bar plus A bar plus B whole bar. Again, we'll have one more bar. Then at this point, what you'll have? This is the output we are having, and this is the output at this point. So this point, to get the output at this point, what you should do? Same logic. What you'll do here? you will get one more complement, right? Now, in the next step, this 2 gets cancelled. Apply to this De Morgan's theorem. A bar into B double bar plus A double bar into B bar. It gives you A bar B plus A B bar. Is it the same equation what we had got for the basic logic circuit? Anybody has not understood anything, please tell me. If you have not understood anything also, no problem, tell me. I'll repeat.
Sir, can you repeat step 2, sir? Like for NAND realization and NOR realization.
Okay.
Where to put NOT gate?
Yeah. I'll repeat. Okay. For NAND, this is for NOR. Okay. For in NAND realization, when you are applying NAND, in that case, you should put the NOT gate at the output side like this. It will come at the output side of AND. In NAND realization, for OR, it will come at the input side. You should insert at the input side. Coming to NOR, it is just the reverse. You should put the NOT gate at the input side of the AND gate. And you should put the NOT gate at the output side of the OR gate. Okay, in NAND realization, the NOT gate should be written like this. So the single input, this is the 2 inputs which are given to the NAND gate. This we have NOR. Like this. Any doubts? Any doubts at any point? Still, if you have not understood, please let me know. I'll try to clarify your doubts. Any doubts? Okay. Hope it's clear. Now we'll start doing some other example. Realize A bar B bar C plus ABC plus AB bar C plus AB bar C bar using NAND gate. Using NAND gate. Can anyone write the basic circuit for this? Hmm? Can anyone write? No one. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Can you write it in the Jamboard?
No, sir. I am using mobile, sir.
In mobile also it can be used. Just look into the Can anyone try? No one. Then I have to call individually. Navya Patil.
Yes, sir.
Write the basic circuit for this.
I have written only half question, sir.
Okay. Is it visible? Okay, I'll just first of all of you copy the question. First write the question.